Hey guys, Steve Ferguson, Thrive Mortgage. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Today we're going to talk about a really cool product called a reverse mortgage. So this mortgage is designed for people who are at least 62 years old, at least in the state of Texas. It allows you to own a home and live in a home without a required mortgage payment. There are two different types of reverse mortgages, and most people don't realize that they both exist. So I'm going to go over the really interesting one first that most people don't know about, and then we're going to go over to the traditional version second. So the really cool version of the reverse mortgage is, let's say you have a house right now that has a ton of equity in it. You want to sell it. It's not a great fit for your family, or maybe you just want to upgrade or whatever it may be. So you've got a $500,000 house, you sell it, and you made $300,000 on the sale of that home. You can leverage your $300,000 that you just made using a reverse mortgage to purchase your new home, and it essentially doubles your buying power. So what that means is you take your $300,000 you just made, and now you can buy a $600,000 house. So for compliance purposes, an approximately $600,000 house, and you'll never have a mortgage payment on it as long as you live in the house. Now, I'm going to say that one more time. You can use a reverse mortgage to buy a piece of property that is essentially double the value of the equity you put into the property itself, or the down payment that you put in, and you never have another mortgage payment again. It is a beautiful product. The only thing you have to pay for on a reverse mortgage are taxes and insurance, and you've got to maintain the property. But there are no principal and interest payments in any way, form, or fashion, right? That's fantastic. It frees up cash that you didn't have before and allows you to go spend money on things that you want to spend money on, right? If you want to travel, if you want to invest, whatever that happens to be, the reverse mortgage is going to free up that money in your account and put it in your hand and allow you to do what you want to do. Now, the traditional reverse mortgage, which I referenced early on in this video, is designed as a refinance. So let's just assume you've got a house that's worth $500,000 again, and let's just assume this time it's free and clear. A reverse mortgage is going to give you a percentage of the value of that home, and let's just say 55% for argument's sake. That loan to value is dependent upon your age. So the older you are, the more money that you get. So let's just assume 55% now. So if you owe, a home that's free and clear, it's worth $500,000, you're going to get $260,000, $270,000 available to you to use. That money can be used in lots of different ways. So if you want a lump sum, if you want monthly payments sent to you, if you just want to create a line of credit that you can use, there's lots of flexibility there. And the beautiful thing about that product is you never have another mortgage payment on the house as long as you live in it. So must be 62 years old or older, no house payment. All you make are taxes and insurance payments, and you maintain the property, right? The cool thing about that too, let's just assume that you did the refinance and you're drawing money month over month on the reverse mortgage. That money that you draw is tax-free. So think about this from a different perspective. Let's say you've got an annuity out there that you're drawing $8,000 a month on, right? You're getting taxed on that annuity, most likely. If you did a reverse mortgage and you pulled $4,000 a month from the reverse mortgage based on the equity position of your home, you could then back down your annuity to $4,000 a month, have the same income, but in reality be making more money because the $4,000 from your reverse mortgage is not taxed. It is a great program. I highly recommend it to anybody out there over the age of 62. It allows you the freedom to do what you want to do, not have to worry about the mortgage payment. It gives you more money in your bank account, and it gives you more buying power if you want to buy. For more information, reach out to me, give me a call. Love to visit with you about it. Love to run some different numbers, but you have to consider a reverse mortgage, especially in this market of higher interest rates, higher home prices. It's a great way to save money. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I hope that gave you the basic information about reverse mortgages, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. All right. Bye-bye.